The Philippine Department of National Defense, DND, plan to procure new advanced helicopters from Russia failed. Currently, DND is studying options on how to return the P1.9 billion advance for the acquisition. In charge of the DND, Deputy Secretary Jose Faustino made the remarks during Tuesday's briefing before the Senate Finance Committee on the officials' proposed P310.9 billion budget for 2023. According to Faustino, the government is now reviewing its contract with Moscow to return the P1.9 billion deposit that should have been used to procure 17 Mi-17 heavy transport helicopters worth a total of P12.9 billion from Russia's Kazan helicopters. Faustino is that DND acknowledged the difficulty in recovering the advance payment as investors also invested in the project, and we are currently working to address this issue through a project implemented by the government-to-government procurement. The former military chief explained that the funds were initially transferred through the Development Bank of the Philippines, DBP, January 10, 2022, a few weeks before the Russia-Ukraine heated up. Faustino previously said the deal was scrapped before President Rodrigo Duterte started amid potential sanctions that governments from the United States and countries might face after Russia's invasion of allies. But the helicopter project has not been officially cancelled. The previous administration deems it unnecessary to continue the project given the huge sanctions that will be applied to Russia that affect its financial transactions, Faustino said. Last March 10th, former Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana revealed that the contract in advance for the Mi-17 acquisition project had been completed before starting its military operations in Ukraine. But Lorenzana said last July that she decided to break the deal because the country could face sanctions.